Alright, welcome back. Now, in this exercise, this is going to be handled very similar to what we did in the previous one. In the previous example, we used recursion to walk through increasing the power step by step. So it went 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4. And we navigated that using recursion. Let's deal with the same kind of thing, but instead of doing it exponentially, we're doing it logarithmically, but a log is similar to an exponent. It's, as I said in the lecture the other day, it's cumbersome for a lot of people. So let me walk through it and see if this helps. So we're going to say if exponent is equivalent to 0, if exponent is equivalent to 0, well, I know what that is. We talked about that last time. So we've got this exponent. We're going to take the base value, and what's the exponent? So that sounds a lot like what we did in the previous exercise. Okay, so I give you a line of code. Copy it from the last video. What I want to do is put an elif in here for a second. So I'm going to say elif, and I want to put that line of code from the last exercise. You remember what this did? This went through and did recursion for us to calculate our exponential values. Now, what is it that I want? I want to know if I'm dealing with a whole number or not. So I'm going to say exponent modulus 2, not a whole number, but odd number or even number. It's equivalent to 1. Oh, it's odd number or even number. So that'll give me what I had last go. Come around. What else? Here I want result equals expo base exponent divided by 2, get rid of any fractional numbers. Come down, return, result times result. I got a typo in there. So on this one, it'll go through, and let's run it and see. It says I've got an issue, indentation. It was acting funny there. I don't know why. So we go through the first one. For 0 is 1. 2 we do it normal. 3 we do it the same way. So we get the same values. So technically we did the same thing that we did last time. We just, in this instance, did a different condition. You know, I didn't have a condition before. We just ran through it. This line here. Now on this one, we went through and we handled odd and even numbers differently. And went that way. Even numbers, we called this. Odd numbers, we dealt with it this way. Alright, so we've got that one knocked out. I don't want to dig deep into the recursion aspect of it. But we'll go through and run the checks and make sure that it ran fine. And it's looking for specific text in there. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.